Then you get your windshield, preferably by PGW, made in America, because American windshields are better. Don't believe the hype when they say, oh, they're all AS1 certified. China windows are garbage. Garbage, I tell you. Slide it underneath the cowl panel. Make sure that your big notch is lined up evenly. Set the window down. Push firmly. Don't hit it. If these people hit in the windows, don't hit windows. That's just showing somebody that has no clue what they're doing when they're hitting a window. Push it firmly in place. Grab the moldings that we took off earlier. Slide the back on. You slide this way onto the clip, push down. Slide onto the clip, push down. Make sure you tuck this down back where it was before. Line up the clip. All lined up. Give it a nice little tap. Not like tap dancing. Tap. Tap. Up, pound. Tap. You'll find in Colorado Springs, most of the installers there have no clue what they're doing. And out of all the jobs I've ever run, all the states I've ever worked at, it was the hardest. Because I had to fix almost every job that those idiots did. Slide, push. Slide, push. Slide at the bottom.